Hello, Gel Press fans. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to be here today. I have all these really cool, amazing new products that various companies sent the Gel Press team to work with. So today I'm going to be using the Brutus Monroe Aqua Pigment inks. Fluid aqua pigment. So much fun right here. I've put them over here into a paint dish, and I've got my colors here because I don't want to cross-contaminate. I've got a whole bunch of different textiles that I'm going to be working with. So one of them is Fiber Sheets by Brutus Monroe. I also have some of his slimline sheets, which I've cut down. It's a pre-cut water color pack. This is called Handmade Paper, and it's 100% cotton. And then I have some lampshade paper my mom gave me because she used to do lampshades. And this is mulberry paper, liquid watercolor paper from Ecoline. So I have my Joggles stencil here, which is called Square Study Mask. Like I said, I got my colors over here. So we have yellow, orange, pink, turquoise, violet, and fuchsia. Got a little bit of water over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start applying color onto the gel press. Because the beauty of the gel press, I always feel, is that it's sticky. So this stencil is pretty well stuck down. I will. All right, just adding color. A little bit of this turquoise. This one here is the liquid watercolor paper. And oh, that's kind of cool. I think I might give that just a little spritz of water and see what kind of movement I get there. All right, now this is the lampshade paper, which is mulberry paper. So I am going to give that a little spritz of water to maybe help it with the color movement. Oh, that's kind of cool. All right, then we have the handmade paper. Little spritz of water here. Oh, all right, I want a little bit of this up here. Yep. And then what have I got for colors going on over here? Let's see if I can get some of that yellow. All right. Ooh, that's looking yummy. All right, what else do we have? This is the one from Brutus Monroe, the pre-cut watercolor paper. All right, let's try this fiber paper. If we can help that any by spritzing some water on it. Not sure what that's going to do. Okay, let's go through what we got out of this. Okay, so this is the Brutus Monroe fiber paper. I think this is going to be super fun to make flowers out of. And this was the Royal Talens Ecoline liquid watercolor paper. That came out kind of cool. This is all right, so back over here, these two are my lampshade papers. Whoops, actually, yep. That's from the lampshade paper. This is from the Brutus Monroe slimline watercolor paper that he carries. So I'm going to show you what I made out of all of this. Okay, here is my finished card. I used that fiber paper to create this flower right here. This is the handmade paper. I just love. Oh my gosh, how beautiful. So I hope you've enjoyed my creative journey. Stop back again when I'll be playing with my gel press.